If you have sentimental or important voice or audio recordings, and you maybe wanted to loop them over and over so that you can listen to them over and over again, I'll show you exactly how to do that on your iPhone. Now, the first thing that I'm going to use as an example is a voice recording or a voice memo. So I'm going to record one really quick. Hope you have a great day. And here we have that voice recording. Let's say either this or song or audio I wanted to loop. You cannot do it, unfortunately, using the default apps on your iPhone. However, we can use a third-party app to be able to do that. So I would recommend heading into the App Store, tap on search at the bottom right, and search for audio loop. You can see a number of apps that will allow you to do this, but this one works really well and it's completely free. You can see Audio Looper, Audio Repeat. Just download and install this app to your iPhone and I'll show you how it works. After we've installed that app, let's open up that voice memo or the recording as well. Tap on those three dots at the top right, then tap on the share button at the top. Let's swipe over where it says AirDrop Messages, swipe all the way to the end, tap on More at the end, and then scroll down until you find Audio Looper and tap on that. You can see it says audio has been saved to that app. Now just open it up. So I'll tap OK and I'll open up this Audio Looper app. And there is the one that I just had, new recording 6 here. You can see I can open it up and I can pause it. I can make it go faster, slower, but it will just keep repeating or looping that audio over and over again. I can always choose to save this as a different file or use it however else I want. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed watching this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.